the entire IPO space, which is in thick pass, is something that all I'm sure viewers are also really looking at very keenly right now. So MobiKwik and Vishal Mega Mart, the two IPO allotments that have been finalized. In case you had applied for these two IPOs, what is the way to check the allotment and whether you stand a chance to really get the allotment there or not is something that I will just share with you. For MobiKwik, remember, the company has already finalized the allotment status. It is in the wake of T+3 listing rule, which has already become mandatory. Remember, the shares should be credited into the demat accounts of the allottees, all of those who have applied and they have been successful by today. So in case you got those shares, today is when you will get them in your demat accounts. For those who missed getting the company shares through this process, will also get the refund today itself, is something that you should know. So what exactly is being signaled? The company had got a substantial response in its IPO. A strong subscription figure was seen for retail investors portion particularly, and the IPO itself got subscribed over 119 times. The NII is bid for 35.2 crore shares as well. What we've also seen is that the IPO was booked 134.6 times in the retail category, 119 times by the QIB portion as well. So substantial response was being seen. And right now the grey market premium is also indicative of a premium listing of 166 rupees over and above the IPO price right there. So in case you got the allotment, then there is a high chance that you would be looking at higher listing gains on this one too. Now, how do you check the allotment? Now, you can check the allotment either on the BSE website or in the Link in Time website, which is the registrar of the company right there. Now, how do you really check it? On the BSE, I will tell you, you can log in on bseindia.com/investors/apply_check.aspx. That is the website that you need to click. You need to select equity in the issue type option. Select One MobiKwik Systems Limited, that's the full name of this IPO. In the issue name option is what you need to put this. Then you need to put the application number or the PAN number as they have been taking the application number. Then select on I am not a robot and then click on the search button. And then your MobiKwik IPO allotment status will become visible on your computer monitor, on your cell phone screen if you are looking there. Now, what do you need to do when you want to check the allotment for Link in Time? Again, you need to log in on the direct link of Link in Time, that is linkinTime.co.in/initial_offer/public-issues.html. That's the link that you need to click on. Select again on One MobiKwik Systems Limited in the company name. Select either of these four: PAN card, application number, DP or the client ID, or account number or IFSC. Either of these options is what you can go through, and then you can click on the submit button and your MobiKwik allotment status will also become visible right now. Like I suggested, there is an indication in the grey market premium of almost a 60% premium listing on this one. So in case you got the allotment, there is a high chance of listing gain on this. The other popular IPO that had opened from 11th December to 13th December was Vishal Mega Mart. The allotment status is out. Now, how do you really check the IPO status and the allotment status for yourself in case you bid for this IPO? Remember, this is also going to be listing in the T+3 listing rule, and all your refunds or the shares in case you got those allotment will be delivered in your demat accounts today itself, either the refund or the shares. So that's where you will get to know that you've been allotted, say, one lot, or how many shares is something that you have been allotted. Now, what can you do? Investors can check the allotment status on BSE or on NSE website and also on the official portal of the IPO registrar. Here it is KFinTech, which is the registrar of Vishal Mega Mart IPO. Now, how do you go through? On the BSE website, you need to visit the BSE website again, similar to what I said or suggested earlier. So this is www.bseindia.com/investors/apply_check.aspx. This is what you need to click. Select equity in the issue type, choose Vishal Mega Mart Limited in the issue name drop down. Then you need to enter either the application number or the PAN card. Here you need to verify by ticking on I am not a robot and then click on the search button. Your Vishal Mega Mart IPO allotment status then will be displayed on the screen. In case you are going through the KFintech website or the registrar website, again the link here is https://cosmic.kfintech.com/IPO status/. Here what do you need to do? You need to choose Vishal Mega Mart Limited in the select IPO drop down menu. Either go through the application number, demat account or PAN card. These are the three options that are available to you, and then you can actually enter the details as per the option that's been selected. Enter the CAPTCHA code and click on submit as well. Once you do that, your Vishal Mega Mart IPO allotment status will be seen on the screen where you're watching, maybe on the computer screen or on the mobile phone screen right there. Now, what is the grey market premium suggestive of? Well, there is a 19 rupee uptick that over and above the issue price that you could expect. So, a premium listing here as well of 19 rupees odd over the price band of 78 rupees is what you can expect on Vishal Mega Mart as well. So, I hope this has given you a lot of clarity as to how do you check the allotment. We will continue to get you all those informative videos aside of the live show as well.